Respected Chief Guest, Sri Koteshwarrao Garu, ASI of Nelakondapalli, Sri Chalapatirao Garu, ME of Nelakondapalli, Sri Ram Singh Garu, Head Constable of Nelakondapalli, our respected management members, Brother Maria Prasad Garu, Principal and Correspondent, Sri Bhargavi Garu, Manager, Honorable teachers, dear parents and my dear students, a very warm and cheerful morning to one and all. It is my great privilege to welcome you to the investor ceremony and oath-taking ceremony of Evergreen High School. Today is a memorable occasion as we formally entrust our newly elected school leaders with the responsibility of leading by example. Leadership is not about power of position.
Good morning everyone. I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Koteshwarrao Garu, ASI of Nelakondapalli, to invest the school leader Sriram. And integrity. I will serve my school, teachers, my duties sincerely and to the best of my ability. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Privileged to honor them. As we have Chief Guest Sir Srinivas Reddy Garu, SI of Nelakondapalli, though he is not here, and we are so happy that he has sent the battalion here for us as the Chief Guest, namely Sir Koteshwarrao Garu, AS of Nelakondapalli, Head Constable Garu, and our own beloved and respected Sir M.O. Garu as Chief Guest. It is our duty and responsibility to honor them. May I request and respect that the members of the Evergreen High School management to kindly forward and honor them, the distinguished guests, with the shawls.
Of the people, for the people, by the people, Prathinidhiga. This is me. This is me.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।